Hi guys, welcome to Tech Teacher, and today's lesson is about what is DNS, an entry-level overview to the domain name system. What does DNS stand for? DNS stands for Domain Name System. Domain names are text-based names with several segments such as a TLD, or top-level domain, such as .com, .org, .net, etc., and a subdomain. Domain names are used as a substitute for IP addresses. So what does DNS actually do? DNS translates domain names into IP addresses, vice versa. Here you can see an example of example.org could be translated into an IP address such as 103.204.62.221. Different record types aid in sending certain types of requests to different IP addresses. Different types of record include A, which is an address record, AAAA, which is an IPv6 address record, and MX, which is a mail exchange record. For example, under a certain domain, an MX record would show where an exchange server is located for the emails. DNS uses UDP instead of TCP because UDP offers quick response times, and DNS doesn't need the redundancy and error checking that TCP provides. So why actually use domain names instead of just IP addresses? That way we could scrap the DNS system. Well, domain names are easy to remember, unlike IP addresses. It would be hard to remember a long IP address, whereas it would be easy to remember a domain name such as youtube.com, ebay.com. And domain names are customizable. For example, you can have your business name as your domain name, so someone could type in your business name on the internet and come to your business webpage. Domain names also help search engines to gather information about websites because you can include certain keywords in your domain name. So what are forward and reverse lookup zones? Well, forward lookup zones are the most common. This is because forward lookups are translating the domain name into an IP address. For example, if I type ebay.com into my browser sends a forward lookup request to the DNS server, and the DNS server returns the IP address for ebay.com where my computer can then go and get the content. Reverse lookup is translating an IP address into a domain name, so it's obviously not as common as forward lookup. If you have any more questions about DNS that are not answered in this video, please leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to either make a new video about them or answer them in the comments section. If you have any recommendations for any other topics you'd like covered in another video, also leave them in the comments section, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more technology lessons on a wide variety of technology subjects. Thanks for watching.